Welcome back, friends. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use one of Canva's coolest features, the match and move transition. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add this smooth and professional-looking transition to your Canva presentation slides, which is a fantastic way to capture your audience's attention and make your content look polished and dynamic. Let's jump right in. So here's the scenario. Imagine you've already created a presentation. In my case, it's a fun little slideshow all about strawberries. Maybe you've got a couple of slides with similar elements or images, and you want to create that magical effect where objects look like they're flowing or animating right from one slide to the next. That's where match and move really shines. All right, first things first, make sure you have your presentation set up in Canva. If you're following along, open up your project. Don't worry if yours isn't about strawberries. This works for any topic at all. You'll want at least 2 slides in your presentation that have some items in common. For example, maybe you have a photo, a shape, an icon, or even a text box that's in both slides. The important thing here is that Canva uses these matching elements to create that seamless move effect when you go from one slide to the next. Now with your presentation open, we're ready to apply the transition. Here, how you do it, click between the 2 slides where you want the transition to happen. You might notice a little plus sign or gap line between your slides in the editor. That's your target. Go ahead and click it. Now a menu will pop up giving you the option to add transition. This is the door to all sorts of cool slide effects in Canva, but today we're laser focused on match and move. Next, go ahead and select the match and move transition from the options that appear. If it's your first time exploring Canva's transitions, don't worry, match and move is easy to spot, and you can always hover over them to see a quick preview of what each one looks like. Once you've clicked it, Canva will instantly apply the transition. You'll probably notice a slick animation preview right away, showing how the objects that appear on both slides seem to glide smoothly from their position on the first slide to their new spot on the next. It almost looks magical, but it's just smart design. This transition saves so much time compared to animating everything manually, and it gives your presentations an extra touch of professionalism, like you see in high-end decks. If you want to tweak or remove the transition, just click back onto the transition icon between your slides and choose a different effect or none to turn it off. Also, pro tip, make sure the elements you want to move are aligned or named the same way on both slides. This helps Canva recognize and animate them smoothly. And don't stress if it doesn't look perfect the first time. A little adjustment here or there often makes all the difference. So that's all there is to it. Go ahead and hit play or present to experience your newly upgraded animated slide transition. Play around with it using different photos, shapes, or even charts to see what kind of effects you can get. Once you get the hang of match and move, you'll start thinking up all sorts of creative ways to use it, whether it's making data flow in a business deck or telling a story in a classroom project. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips, tricks, and tutorials coming your way soon. Happy designing!